Engin did a live podcast with Hermes, Alijan, and Coach Ray. In that podcast, Hermes predicted Devon Larratt versus Levan Saginasvali super match. And as you all know, Hermes is someone who has pulled both Devon Larratt and Levan Saginasvali. So Hermes does know where these guys are standing right now. So Alijan straight away predicted Levan Saginasvali to win. He said 60% chances of winning in favor of Levan. Then Hermes explained that he believes Levan Saginasvili has much more stronger riser than Devon Larratt. However, Hermes also said he believes Levan is not 100% right now of his prime. He thinks he is just close to his prime, but Devon Larratt is really stronger this time. Then Hermes said something really cool that if Levan Saginasvili loses his wrist, it will not be the end of Levan Saginasvili. Levan will use side pressure and that will also be a lot to handle for Devon Larratt. So Hermes predicted 65% chances of winning in favor of Levan Saginasvili and also said that if Levan was 100% of his prime, then he would say 80 to 80% chances of winning in favor of Levan Saginasvili. Now one thing Hermes said about the wrist that Levan may lose his wrist, but he will be in the game after. He will be in the game even after losing his wrist as well. Now, according to me, if that happens, Levan will be in big trouble. Devon will gas out Levan if Levan loses his pronator. Comment down your views on it. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Thank you very much for watching.